Hello, it's Rachel. Today I'm working in my Prima Mixed Media book to create an art journal page. I'm beginning here with a pre-gessoed page and I'm applying Golden Fluid Acrylic in Titan Buff. Next, I'm choosing some scrapbook papers. This is from a collection called Vintage Summer, and I've selected two different patterns from this pack. The first one I'm tearing into strips and I'm going to add this as a background feature to my page, and the second one I'm going to use with some die cut hearts. Here I am edging the pieces of torn paper with Archival Ink in watering can, and then I'm going to attach them to my page using gel medium. Next, I'm taking a Prima stamp. This is a tiny text stamp. I'm going to use this to develop my background further, again using the Archival Ink in watering can. These are the die cut pieces that I cut out of the other piece of paper that I'd selected, and I'm going to edge these with the watering can ink and then attach them to my page using again the soft matte gel medium. Next, I want to apply some pan pastel chalks. However, I know that these won't stick to the slick surface of the acrylic paint, so I'm adding a coat of golden matte medium in advance of this, and it will provide some tooth for the pastels. Once this is dried, I'm applying two different tint colours, namely magenta tint and violet tint. Next, I'd like to add some stenciling to my page, so for this I've chosen a Tim Holtz stencil of hearts, and I'm going to apply this in the colour Titanium White using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. This is a piece of lightweight cardstock, and I'm coating this with a layer of Titan Buff so that it will provide a place to stamp my text. The text that I've chosen is Dream a Little Dream, and this is a stamp by Cat's Life Press. And that brings us to the close of another project. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, remember to like. If you are a first-time visitor, please click that subscribe button. And if you are interested in a full product list, there is the usual link in the video description.